Manfrotto has a variety of ball heads that use the RC2 quick release. The 496 is a great balance of price, strength, size, and capabilities. It's more compact than some of their other ball heads, but it still has the RC2 quick release on top, a 3/8 inch mount on the bottom, a pan knob, and a ball socket lock knob with an integrated tension knob. The 496 ball head works well and can hold up to 22 pounds. I like how sleek it is compared to some of the other ball heads, but this comes at a cost because there's no bubble levels and the quick release lever is very small. This keeps the lever out of the way, but it also makes it a bit of a challenge to use one-handed. I prefer to open the quick release before I pick up my camera. I do like that the safety is integrated, so you never have to wonder if the safety lever is activated. The controls for the 496 are very simple. On the bottom you have the pan lock knob, which allows you to pan the ball head, and then you have the ball socket lock knob, which also has an integrated tension knob. This works really well because you can lock the ball head in place and you can make it harder or easier to level out the camera. When you put the ball head on your tripod, it's important to make sure that you tighten the set screw underneath the 3/8 inch column to keep it from being able to be unscrewed when you pan. With the smaller size of the ball head, it's a great fit for a Gorilla Pod or a Switch Pod if you want to use RC2 plates. It also works fine on any size of tripod. Overall, this is a great Manfrotto ball head that I have no major issues with. This is a ball head you can trust your expensive camera gear on. If you like the RC2 plates, you're sure to love adding this to your tripod arsenal. I have links for the 496 ball head in the description below, as well as other gear used in this video. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to support the channel, links for all products mentioned in this video are in the description below.